Hi guys, it's me again, Jel. Welcome to Ilaya Highland Resort. So for this video guys, we will take you to Ilaya Highland Resort situated in the mountains of Silay City, Negros Occidental. We're here na guys. And this
Specifically, we're here in Patag, Silay.
Patag Silay City. And we will explore this resort. So, kuyugi me guys. So guys, we drove here for 1 hour from Bacolod City. So madara siya og isa ka oras nga biyahe. And then bukid ni siya diri guys, so Bugnaw. Ang entrance day diri guys is 200 pesos. So
With free
kami kay
complimentary drink.
pa-reserve na midaan. So guys, ang 200 pesos is only for the entrance. If you want to use the pool, there's an additional fee of 100 pesos. For us, diri rami for maglaag-laag lang, and sa restaurant rami, we won't be using the pool and dili pod mi mag-cottage. By the way, ang cottage nila guys kay ga-start og 500 pesos pataas. So we'll go to the restaurant para i-claim amo ang complimentary drink. And dili na pod mi mag-lunch later. It's now 9:30 pa man guys, early pa kaayo. So maglibot-libot sa mi.
Guys, if you want to book a reservation, just visit their Facebook page.
Yeah.
Ilaya Highland Resort. We will just sani? Butang ba there is a screen somewhere here.
This is their restaurant. Okay. Then, mo siya ang view, guys. Very relaxing kay daghan jud kay ka-green na makita. I already claimed our drinks. Ang ako is brewed coffee, and then for it's lemonade. So guys, this is our complimentary drink, and kay is lemonade and mine is brewed coffee. Inhaler.
Sana na on.
Number 8. Bigger 8 be. Bigger 8. Alright, we're going down. Picture sa me. Look guys. Happy 8th.
And then
Ito na lang ta swing oy.
very hot. Very hot.
Very hot. So mag-pictorial sa mi guys. Na later kay mag-lunch na lang.
Init kay para after pictorial
Lunch. Guys, here's our order. Asian spring roll. This one pork binagoongan and chicken pork adobo.
Chicken pork?
Chicken pork. So guys, we're done with our lunch. Ni-order namin dito og pork and chicken adobo, lumpia, and then pork binagoongan. And we only paid around 1,000 pesos. Then, after this, kay mamuli na mi. Tara si MM, nagtambay lang sa swing. Uy. Yung karne diri guys is nice siya nga picture spot. Yum yum.
Busog.
Busog, lusog.
Lusog.
Guys, these are their cottage. Kada siya. So, may mga tables, may mga chairs for big groups. Okay, let's go here. Ang mga mama, oh, malingaw sila ng mga flowers. Alright, let's go. And flowers everywhere. And these rooms guys, kay mo na siya ang ilahang pang overnight. So, pwede ka overnight stay diri. Just check their rates sa ilang Facebook page. More flowers. And this is the view. Again, mo na siya ilang pool. Okay, this is their pool area. So, na yung mga chairs diri guys. So, there are mga chairs. This one too. Wow. Infinity pool siya guys. Then you will have that view once maligo mo. So again guys, for day use, they have a 200 pesos entrance.
Yes.
And then if you want to use their pool, additional fee lang na 100 pesos. And guys, if you want to rent a cottage, naapod sila available dire. And if you want to stay here overnight, available pod, you can check their Facebook page.
For the rates. Or you can message them
Yeah.
to inquire.
Ilaya Highland Resort. That's it for our Ilaya Highland Resort vlog.
Guys, please like and subscribe our channel,
Angel Vlogs, for more travel videos. And guys, naami Thailand series vlog and also Taiwan series vlog.
Yes.
Do check it out. We have Thailand 2023 and 2024 also. So yan guys.
Like, and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Thank you.
Until our next vlog guys. Bye-bye.